Are you planning a night out? Here's how to make informed choices next time you go to the bar. I'm Susan Bowerman, registered dietitian. When it comes to alcoholic drinks, there's three main components that add calories to your alcoholic drink. The first one is how much alcohol is in your drink and how strong it is. The more alcohol, the stronger the alcohol, the more calories in your drink. The second thing is, are there mixers in your drink? If you have soda, if you have fruit juice, if you have things like tonic water, that can add a lot of calories to the end product. The last thing is, sometimes there's add-ins to drinks, things like syrups or creams that can also boost the calories significantly. So let's take a look at a couple of popular drinks. We're going to compare a Bloody Mary to a Pina Colada. Now I've got this Bloody Mary here, and most people would know that a Bloody Mary has fewer calories than a Pina Colada, but you may not realize how big the difference actually is. This Bloody Mary is typical. It has about 8 ounces, that's about 240 milliliters of tomato juice, which only has about 50 calories. And it has 1 shot of vodka, which is about 100 calories. So the seasonings don't add any calories, and the whole drink comes out at about 150 calories. Now, let's compare that to the Pina Colada. A typical Pina Colada has about 2 shots of rum, so it has more alcohol and it's strong. And then it has 2 shots of something called coconut cream, which is rich because it's coconut and has fat, and also because it's sweet, and then it also has pineapple juice in it. Taken together, this Pina Colada has 640 calories. So remember, next time you're out and you're choosing a drink, remember where the calories are coming from. The more alcohol and the stronger the alcohol, the higher the calories. The mixers can add calories, and those add-ins can add some calories too.